You want to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, maybe because you want some extra money on the side, or maybe you want to be among the dream call winners that have promoted ClickFunnels and get your reward like them and buy yourself a car. So no matter what your goals are, this video is a must watch. By the way, if you don't have a ClickFunnels account and you want to get a 30-day, meaning 1 full month of a free pass to use ClickFunnels and of course make money with it, then I left a link below. You will actually have all the information you need inside to get your 30 days free trial with ClickFunnels. Hey, this is Joyce here, and in this video I will share with you the top 5 strategies on how to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate in 2022 and even beyond. Of course, you won't be able to apply all these strategies. That's why you need to watch this video till the end so you can choose what strategy resonates with you the most and proceed with it. So let's talk a little about ClickFunnels, okay? ClickFunnels is the funnel building software that has been here since 2015. This funnel building software has revolutionized the whole marketing game and how people are able to grow their online business and make money with it. So how can you become an affiliate of ClickFunnels? Actually, I recently did a video explaining the ClickFunnels affiliate program, and you can actually watch this video here. But once you start using ClickFunnels and create an account, you can automatically become a ClickFunnels affiliate. You can also register as a non-ClickFunnels user, but for them to actually approve you to be their affiliate can be a little difficult. So my advice is for you to become a member first. Normally ClickFunnels gives you 14 days free trial, but like I said, I left a link for you down below to get a full 30 days free trial. Now, considering you are already a user and an affiliate, let's get you to the promotion strategies. So strategy number 1 is to promote ClickFunnels by not promoting ClickFunnels. What I mean by that is to promote the products that are present in your affiliate dashboard. Normally, when you start as a fresh ClickFunnels affiliate, you will get only to promote 5 products. And the easiest one will be to promote one funnel away challenge. Of course, go through the challenge yourself, get used to building a funnel and understand who you can market the one funnel away challenge to. Tips I will give you to promote the one funnel away challenge is to see who this challenge can benefit. So create something, create an offer stack for the particular category of people and get them to see how you will help them if they go through the challenge. Through you, of course. You can also promote the books, all right? And the reason why I tell you to promote the products of ClickFunnels instead of ClickFunnels itself is because of the cookies.
Cookies?
You see, Russell Brunson, one of the founders of ClickFunnels, is actually genius, all right? He has created products that sell ClickFunnels for him. And whenever someone buys a ClickFunnels product from you, they are actually cookied to you for 45 days. And if within the 45 days, they buy another ClickFunnels product, not only do you get an affiliate commission, they are cookied again to you for another 45 days. Moving on to strategy number 2. This is to create a course that makes use of ClickFunnels. This is actually the easiest way. Many entrepreneurs on the Dream Car Counters actually use this strategy, all right? And this is how they actually got 100 active ClickFunnels users. If in the course you capitalize on the use of ClickFunnels to reach that particular goal your audience want, for example, to build a members area, to sell a product, to build a landing page, to build a lead magnet page, to build a webinar funnel, and there's so many you can actually do. There's so many you can actually teach. You will get people who bought from you, use ClickFunnels, and that will make you money and get you to get more ClickFunnels affiliate signups. Strategy number 3 is to share funnel templates. I have seen many entrepreneurs do it. I have done it too. An example is sharing a lead magnet funnel or page for a particular niche. Let's say you talk about real estate and you show how real estate agents can build a lead magnet page using ClickFunnels real quick, real easy, and you simply give the lead magnet page away for free. Now, whenever someone who does not have a ClickFunnels account wants your funnels, wants your templates, they will automatically be signing up under your affiliate link. Now, strategy number 4, building an affiliate stacking ecosystem. This one is for affiliates, and if you really want people to start using ClickFunnels, then create a series of videos on how to use ClickFunnels on YouTube. Do reviews of ClickFunnels, write blogs on ClickFunnels, create Facebook group to provide assistance, guidance, or help, and then build an affiliate stacking ecosystem. The affiliate stacking ecosystem is for you to guide people to your offers that will help your audience get out from a pain point to a pleasure point. You become an authority when you do that. This affiliate stacking ecosystem is built through email marketing, and you're giving value to people. Now, let me actually give you an example, right? Real quick. So let's say someone signs up from a lead magnet page of mine. They will actually be sent an email where I will deliver the lead magnet, all right? And I will send another email where I will introduce myself properly. And in that email, I will actually direct them to a YouTube channel, to a YouTube video. And I will send another email to direct them to my main offer, and so on and so on and so on to the contents I created on the other platform. I can choose to direct them to either sales page, my blog post, or another YouTube video that is talking about another product. And mainly I will choose ClickFunnels, okay? Because for me, including ClickFunnels in my affiliate ecosystem is necessary, as this is what I strongly believe will help entrepreneurs make money and grow big. As a matter of fact, you can be sure that this video you're watching right now is going to be part of my affiliate stacking ecosystem, as I'm giving value about ClickFunnels. And if you agree with me, give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And by the way, if you want to get to know more about the affiliate stacking ecosystem, there is a 3-day challenge that sets the foundation on how you can build your ecosystem and grow your online business. You can watch this video right here to know more about it, or get access to the link below this video in the description box to see if this is something that would be of any help to you. And moving on to our last strategy, strategy number 5, is promoting a product that allows you to include your ClickFunnels affiliate link in their business or product. Meaning a course or program that educates people about ClickFunnels and allows you to put your affiliate link instead of theirs. So anyone you refer to the course, when they sign up for ClickFunnels, for a ClickFunnels account, they're signing up under your affiliate link. There are not many programs or courses that allow you to do that out there, because who would actually want you to get ClickFunnels affiliate signups instead of them? Well, I have found 2 courses that do that. The first one is Legendary Marketer. So when you become an affiliate of their product, you are allowed multiple streams of income, because the course educates people about building an online business, meaning using funnel software and email autoresponders. So they allow you to paste your affiliate links, and this will help you in getting passive income when the people you refer sign up to those tools. And guys, to become an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, you have to go through a challenge, a 15-day challenge to be precise, and it actually costs $7. I have left a link below this video that will allow you to sign up for the challenge, or you can actually watch this video right here if you want to have more information on the 15-day challenge of Legendary Marketer. The next product that will allow you to have your affiliate links in their course is the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. They allow you to get 100% profit on the 3-day challenge I mentioned in the strategy number 4, and give you their funnels, products, and everything you need to market their product as your own. If you ask me, this is crazy, but many people are doing it. Even I am doing it. The crazier thing is that Freedom Breakthrough offers you 75% of affiliate commission, and this is a complete life changer for affiliate marketers. I have done a complete review video of the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. You can actually watch it here, or you can directly access it in the description box of this video. So guys, I hope you pick one of these 5 strategies to get ClickFunnels signups and make money with it. And as always, if this video gave you value, make sure to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is George signing out. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.